Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald, and if you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new, you may as well hit subscribe. Today's video is just going to be a stretch with me because it's Sunday morning and I really didn't stretch this morning. This video is not meant to be for a stretch before class because Sundays I never dance. I take the day off completely, but I still like to move my body a little bit. So without further ado, let's get started. We will need no equipment today. So we're gonna get started on our elbows, and we're just gonna start by bringing our right knee to our nose and rolling up the ankle for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's reverse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then I'm just gonna bring the knee to the nose, drawing a circle, going outwards for 8. Keeping the left hip down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's do the left. We roll at the ankle for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's reverse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We do huge circles with our left knee for 8 and 7. We do 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Prop yourself up. Take a double stay with your right knee bent and your left knee bent. Keeping your feet in place, just go from one side to the next. Just for the hips, let's go for 8, 7, option to do no hands as well, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go back to the first side, staying in your double stay. You can take your left hand on your hip and just roll your hip forward and back. And again, roll the left hip forward. You can twist the body and back. Let's do one more. Rolling it forward and back. Bring the left heel towards the seat. Go onto your elbows. Option to stay here in this quad stretch. Keep tucking the pelvis under so you're trying not to arch the lower back. If you don't feel your thigh, which, wow, if you don't, you can go ahead and put the right heel on the thigh. You can even lay all the way down on the mat so long as it doesn't hurt your back. Let's stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and lay back if you aren't on your back already. Both feet grounded on the floor, and let's lift our pelvis up into a glute bridge just to open up those hips. We lift up for 5 and lower, 4 and lower, 3, lower, 2, and last one, 1. Go ahead, lift the right knee up, take your hands underneath your hamstring and extend and bend just to warm up the hamstring for 5, 4, keeping the knee in place, 3, 2, and last one, 1. Keep your toe pointed, lift your head and your neck, keep pulling the leg, and flex the ankle, lower your head. A little bit of nerve flossing. Let's point the toe, lift the head and the neck, and flex the ankle lower. Good, we do one more. Point the toe, lift the head and the neck. This time lower the head and place the right foot on the left thigh. You can pull it into a figure 4. Beautiful. We'll go up again and do those windshield wipers once again, starting with our left knee in front. So we go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And place the left knee in front, and same thing, take the right hand on the right hip and just push your hip forward, stretching out your hip flexors, your thigh, and bring the hip back. And again, push the hip forward. And let's bring it back. Good, last one, bring it forward. And back. Keeping the right heel close to your seat, you can go down into your quad stretch. Option to stay here. Option to place the left foot on the thigh to push it down a little bit, really gently, of course. Or option to go on your back for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Place your feet flat on the floor. And we do those bridges once again. Let's go up for 5 and down, 4 and down. That's better. 3 and down, 2 and last one, 1. Bring the right knee in and just extend and bend for 5 and 4. Nice and easy, keeping the knee in place. 3 and 2 and last one, 1. Holding it. That was my hair clip. Point the toe, lift the head and the neck, and flex the ankle, lower the head and the neck. Again, point the toe, lift the head and the neck, flex the ankle, lower the head. Last one, point the toe, lift the head and the neck. And then go ahead, lower your neck, lower your head, place the left foot on the right thigh and pull into a figure 4. We'll just stay here. Beautiful. Give yourself a hug and let's roll up. Go ahead and swing your legs behind you. We go to a cat-cow. So tuck your chin to your chest, arch your back into a cat. And let's do a cow. Good. Again, let's do a cat. And a cow. Good. One more. Let's do a cat. And a cow. Go ahead and tuck your toes under. Back is nice and straight. And lift up into your downward facing dog, pressing your hands into the floor firmly. Release your heels into the floor. Lengthen your legs. Lift your tailbone up. And then let's pedal at the feet for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Go down on your knees, untuck your toes, sit your hips back, roll out your wrists if you need. And then let's go ahead and go to our knees. Take our left leg forward in a low lunge, tuck the pelvis under so that you can stretch out your right hip flexors. And we can lift the right hand up and let's take a side bend. Beautiful. Open up that arm, take the hands on the floor, set the hips halfway back, stretching the front knee. And then let's bend into the front knee, point the toes open to the corner, place your elbows down into a full lizard. You can rock side to side. Beautiful. Point your toe forward, tuck your toes under, lift your hips, or lift your knee without lifting your hips, and flip to your side lunge. Flip back to your front lunge, and lift your hips up to a triangle. Squaring off both hips. Take your left foot back into your downward facing dog once again. And then lower the knees, sit the hips back, roll out the wrists. Pressing into the floor to sit up. We take our right leg forward in our lunge this time. Same thing, tucking the pelvis under. Let's lift the left hand up and take a side bend. Beautiful. Both hands on the floor. Sit back, stretch your front knee. As you bend into the front knee, point your toes to the corner. Place your elbows down into a lizard. You can rock side to side. Beautiful. Both hands on the floor, point your toe forward, tuck the toes under, lift the knee without lifting the hips, and flip to your side lunge. Beautiful. Flip back to your front facing lunge, and then tuck your toes under, lift your hips up into your triangle. Beautiful. Take a step back to your downward facing dog. And then walk your feet, walk your hands into a forward fold. Just relax your head and your neck. You can grab opposite elbows, slightly bend the knees, shake your head yes, shake your head no. Bend the knees and roll up. Inhale, lift the arms up. I know I'm off camera. Open the arms. Find your forward fold again. Good, you can walk up to your downward facing dog. And then lower down. And let's go all the way onto our front. Squeezing your glutes, you can rotate your legs if you're working towards ballet technique. And press up to your cobra, squeezing your glutes to protect your lower back. You can turn your head side to side. You can also do a baby cobra here. Inhale, exhale, lower. Beautiful. Bring your left foot towards your seat in a quad stretch. And let's switch, bring the right foot. Beautiful, sit back. And then let's go into our seat and just take your left ear to your left shoulder, using your right hand on your right ear. And then walk your right fingertips away so you can stretch out the side of your neck. Good, now turn your nose towards your left. Bring your chin to your chest, bring it down. And then clasp both hands behind your neck, behind your head, chin to chest, looking down. And let's come up to the other side, same thing. Right hand to left ear, and then walk your left fingertips away. Good, chin goes down, nose goes down. And then clasp your opposite finger on top when you interlace your hands. And roll up. Beautiful, last one is my favorite one on a Sunday. Take your right heel on your knee, knee on your heel, in this crisscross stretch for the glutes, and then let's walk forward. This is one I need to do every day. Beautiful, let's switch. Good, and last but not least, we will take a butterfly. You can use your hands on your ankles and press your knees down with your elbows as you fold forward. And gently bring the knees in. I hope you guys enjoyed that super quick express stretch. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.